Before we start working with actual data, let's quickly analyze the Excel layout and what is available to us. On the very top of your Excel sheet, you have your quick access toolbar, which, as the name suggests, lets you do things quickly which you would want to do frequently. By default, you may have save, redo and undo options there. I have a camera option, and next to that you have this drop down button using which you can go ahead and add more options to this, like new sheet, open sheet. Whatever you select gets added to the quick access toolbar, and if you want to remove something, you can simply click at the drop down menu again and unselect that option. Another way to add things to quick access toolbar is you right click on a command and you add it to the quick access toolbar. For example, if I review data or formatting often, I can add comments to the toolbar so that I can quickly add them. Another way to remove something from the toolbar is by simply right clicking on that option and choosing remove from the quick access toolbar. There are a bunch of other things that are not listed directly and can be added here by clicking more commands. Then we select the option we want, we click add followed by OK. For example, I have added a camera because I used it in one of my previous worksheets. I can also move my toolbar below the ribbon by clicking on the drop down and selecting show below the ribbon. Or I can move it back to the top by selecting show above the ribbon. Will we use and make changes to quick access toolbar often? The answer for me is no, unless you use Excel almost on daily basis. But we should know that we have an option using which we can add commands to quick access toolbar for single click usage that will save us time.